Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a popsicle stick house using illustration board. First, gather all your materials like illustration board, craft sticks, and a hot glue gun. It's a good idea to sketch your house design on paper beforehand. This helps visualize the structure and plan your cuts. Then, carefully cut the illustration board into the shapes you need for your walls and roof. Now, let's start assembling the main structure. Apply hot glue along the edges of your cut illustration board pieces to form the walls. Hold them firmly in place until the glue sets. Make sure your corners are at 90-degree angles to create a sturdy base. For extra strength, you can add small reinforcing strips of illustration board along the inside seams. Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. And on another note, imagine your finished popsicle stick house, perhaps with some tiny lights. You could even use an Echo Dot smart speaker to play some relaxing background music while you admire your creation. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. With your basic structure complete, it's time to add the popsicle sticks. Begin gluing the craft sticks horizontally onto the exterior surfaces of your illustration board walls. You'll want to trim the sticks as needed to ensure they fit neatly at corners and edges. Overlap them slightly to create a charming, realistic siding effect, just like a real house. Next, let's work on the roof. Securely attach your pre-cut roof pieces to the top of your house frame using hot glue. You can cover the roof with more craft sticks for a consistent look, or use textured paper for a different effect. Finally, personalize your house by adding details like windows, doors, and any other decorative elements you desire.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.